Hey ladies, it's Regina. Thank you so much for tuning in. So look, today's video should be brief. I'm doing a follow-up on my experience with Chief Rocka by the DOUX. I filmed a review on it last week, and a few of my viewers suggested I do a follow-up just to see how things turned out, and I'm very happy to do that. So 6 days ago, I put my flat twists in using Chief Rocka, and after my hair dried, I slept in them overnight. The next day, which was last Friday, Valentine's Day, I took the twist down, and took the flat twist out, and that's when I was able to share my first impressions. Well, at that time my hair was shiny, soft, bouncy, all of it. I mean, I was really pleased. My only concern was I thought I saw a few flakes. Not I thought, but I know I saw just a couple of flakes. And I figured, I think I might have used too much product. I'm very heavy-handed with mousse. And then up here in my crown area, I go a little heavier because this area needs more attention. So anyway, let me tell you, this mousse had me in my feelings the entire 5 days. And I've never had a product behave on my hair like this. So let me just take it down without further ado. Let me tell you. Look at this. Now this is 5 days later. The shine is there, the definition is there, the body, the softness, the gentle hold, all of it. I can't even, it speaks for itself. Look. And all I've done to maintain my hair over this whole 5 days is what you saw me just undo. I put my hair up in a scrunchie. This is cute too. Look at it, y'all. This is incredible. And then I put my bonnet on and go to bed. The next morning, wake up and literally shake my hair into place. Y'all, that's it. This product is so awesome. I've never come across anything like this. And it's a one and done. It detangles, conditions, adds shine, all in one product. Chief Rocka, the DOUX. Y'all did it. Y'all did it. And I'm so excited. This product will forever be in my tiny product stash. I told y'all I don't have a big product stash. I just don't like to accumulate a lot. But this one here, this is it. In case you didn't hear me the first time, look at this. Girl, I just wanted you to see it. I haven't done anything to my edges. I typically don't. Edge controls break me out and irritate me. Sometimes I'll put a little gel, but this is what's been going on. This is what's been going on since last Friday. So this is 5 days in my twist out. And what trips me out in the best way is that my hair up here, my definition typically does not stay. It doesn't last. It'll be okay and I can get through a week with it. But look, this is like some seriousness going on here. I don't think y'all, I don't know if y'all understand how excited I am about this product. Hear me when I say, if you see this on the shelf, run, don't walk, run and go pick it up. It is worth every penny. More to come from me, the DOUX and Chief Rocka. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.